Kama time when a country is greater than an individual.
Thutha wa guthonjerwo kwa ihinda makamishna kamiti ya githurano-IEBC riu nimaumakanitie kwehera iturwa-ini ciao getha kuruta kamweke ka makamishna agikwamurwo
to enable appointment of their successors in good time to prepare for the 2017 general elections. Mr. Chairman, what the committee would like to hear from you is your response to these views expressed by institutions and the individuals who appear before our committee.
Wothe kenda mari mbere ya kamiti ya mwanya ya bunge ri ikoretwo ikimacirira makamishna acio maugite ati matigukorwo magikarania na uiguithanio o wothe wa kiuteti kumeeria ofici-ini.
And if there's a political settlement is reached, the commission will not be a stumbling block or stand in the way of the settlement.
Mimi ni mzalendo. I'm mzalendo kamili. And I want to confirm I'm also available for any other national duty that this country will bestow on us.
Makamishna acio ningi magatithia no nginyagia meherio na njira ya gitio hatari gucukirwo maria amwe ao makoretwo magikuranio namo. Makamishna acio ningi no meguthukirwo mishara yao na njoherera cia nginyagia hindi iria magikarĩkia utungata wao.
Commissioners are only 8 and the chairman, and the country is bigger than all of us.
We have served with dignity and we live with dignity.
Just and right that this commission has done its work very well. It's difficult to appreciate that in a political environment.
Kamiti ya mwanya riu iharirie kwambika gikaro gia keheri kwarĩrĩria mendekithia mao kũringana na ũigĩrĩrĩku ũrĩa mathukĩirwo. Mũrũgamo ũyũ ũiguithanirio thutha wa makamishna a kamiti ya IEBC na memba kamiti ya mwanya kwambika cikaro cia keheri wa kerĩ na wa gatatũ.
We cannot pretend to be a judicial body or a judicial authority. And knowing the complex nature of the matter that we're dealing with.
From there we see what recommendations we are going to make, including developing a mechanism that will give our commissioners that dignified settlement that they have requested us to do.
Nona kurigwo kifarwa kiria kiri mbere ni kwamurwo kwa makamishna agi IEBC already tigarite mwaka umwe mbere ya githurano kinene. Kuringana na riboti ya Kregla, makamishna a kamiti ya githurano magirwo ni gukorwo ofici mieri 24 na mbere ya githurano. Kamiti ino irehera kumana na guthonjerwo ni andu matiganite na muno mwethaniro uria wambikire mirurungano ya komorithia makamishna acio. Thutha wa makamishna ya gwitikira kwehera wafici kifarwa riu kiri kwamura kamiti igi iria igatabania githurano kinene giukite. Githurano kiu giatigia o mwaka na thikũ 4. Girifuatira Inoro TV ritwara kwa masharia wa Gashuru.